नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, श्रीनिश नर्सिंग क्लासेसमध्ये तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनपूर्वक अभिनंदन। आज आपण बघणार आहोत मेथड ऑफ सायकोलॉजी। The second method, observational method. Observation is the objective method of studying the behavior of individuals. It consists of perception of an individual behavior under natural conditions by the other individual and the interpretation and analysis of this perceived behavior by them. For example, in the hospital, the nurse makes an observation of patient temperature, pulse, blood pressure, facial expressions, restlessness to understand clinical condition of the patient. नंतर बघूयात ऑब्झर्वेशन मेथड, स्टेप्स ऑफ ऑब्झर्वेशन मेथड. फर्स्ट, ऑब्झर्वेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर. सेकंड, नथिंग ऑफ बिहेवियर. थर्ड, इंटरप्रिटेशन अँड analysis of behavior. For generalization. Next, merits. It is economical, natural as well as flexible. Second, the data which is studied through observation can be analyzed, measured, classified and interpreted. Third, the result can be verified and relied. 4. Observation method is quite suitable for observing developmental characteristics like children's habits and interest. Next are demerits. First, there are changes of subjective report and also prejudice to observer may creep in. Second, sometimes to observe the natural behavior, the observer may have to spend more time, energy and money. Third, it lacks repeatability as each natural situation can occur only once. Not being able to establish a proper causes and effect relationship. मित्रांनो, असेच नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी श्रीनिश नर्सिंग क्लासेसला सबस्क्राइब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवरती क्लिक करायला विसरू नका। धन्यवाद।